What if I told you there are countries right now in 2026 that are literally struggling to find workers and are actively making it easier for foreigners to move there? We're talking fast-track visas, no degree requirements in some cases, and salaries that could completely change your life. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly which countries are begging for foreign workers in 2026, and more importantly, how you can actually move there step by step, even without connections. Germany, the engine of Europe, faces a defining labor challenge. Officials forecast the need for 400,000 foreign workers every year through 2030. Baby boomers are retiring, and output is at risk without replacements. In January 2026, the Skilled Immigration Act 4.0 lowered thresholds and eased entry. Shortage occupations now qualify from Euro 43,470 a year. More than 260,000 positions remain unfilled in top shortage sectors. Healthcare leads with roughly 46,000 vacancies, doctors and nurses most urgent. Construction needs builders, IT needs developers and support. Engineering is short of specialists. Teaching roles are open. Logistics needs hands on deck. Skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, mechanics are in extreme demand. Prepare diplomas, certifications, and a concise CV. Basic German helps you integrate and get hired. Germany needs your skills and now offers clearer pathways to build your life. Canada keeps its doors wide open in 2026. The immigration levels plan targets 500,000 new permanent residents. Over 60%, about 301,250, are economic immigrants. Express entry is the fast points-based pathway, not a lottery. Points prioritize age, education, work experience, and English or French. Healthcare, nurses, doctors, long-term care assistants. STEM fields, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, are priority. Skilled trades, carpenters, welders, electricians, check express entry eligibility, or explore provincial nominee programs. Boost your English or French to raise points. Canada offers not just jobs but stability and a permanent home in a multicultural nation. Australia is hiring. The 2025-26 migration program targets 195,000 permanent places. Temporary skilled and seasonal programs run at record levels. Net overseas migration is projected above 300,000. Australia blends high quality of life with strong pay. Your skills are well compensated, with safe cities and excellent healthcare. Mining needs engineers and skilled operators. Healthcare needs doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals. Construction is booming. Trades are in demand. Hospitality relies heavily on overseas workers. Seasonal agriculture roles surge at harvest. Prepare English scores and get your skills assessed to Australian standards. Apply via official sites and confirm your occupation is current. Opportunity and sunshine await. Japan faces one of the world's toughest labor shortages. An aging population and a shrinking domestic workforce drive demand. About 85% of municipalities are actively seeking workers. Foreign workers now exceed 2 million, highlighting reliance on international talent. 2026 reforms add language requirements and tighter oversight. High demand spans elderly care, construction, manufacturing, and hospitality. Portugal offers a different EU path: relaxed lifestyle, growing need. Low unemployment around 6%, but regional shortages persist. Wages are modest versus the north, yet cost of living is lower. Seasonal roles dominate: agriculture, fisheries, and tourism along the coast. Beyond seasons, tech is rising. Programmers and IT specialists are in demand. English teachers and healthcare workers remain sought after. In 2026, opportunity spans continents if you are ready to move. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos from us. See you in the next video.